As a commission, we have various forms of mandate. One of it, of course, being investigation whenever there are cases suspected of corruption. And so, indeed, like in all the other counties, in this region, we also have cases which we are investigating. And because of those cases, that's why we are saying as we need a proactive way of reducing the chances of those investigation cases coming up, so that we are able to prevent it and the resources of Mwananchi go to where it is needed for the purpose of serving the public. Yes, indeed, we have quite a number of cases, just like I said in other places, but there are various stages of investigation. It is good, at least at this stage, we don't say we are investigating APCD, but I remember we have a matter which we are handling in the commission which deals with the bursaries, and sometimes back where some bursaries were given and they are thought to have been involved, or they were mad by issues of fraud in terms of the way they were distributed. The matter is being investigated by our Nairobi office, and indeed it's at advanced stage. Some of the mechanisms which we are doing now in terms of educating members of the public, because you will go to the market, we'll be going to the other places, and even the media, you help us also in passing this good message to the people, is to see how can we work in partnership with other institutions, with the members of the public, to reduce cases of corruption. You need to understand that the reason why we talk about corruption is not just because of corruption. We talk of corruption because it denies the people the services that they need, and most of the government services are critical services in nature. So because of that reason, when we have a survey like that, we are supposed to take it positively, so that we use it to better our state. It seems that people are ready to give a bribe because they are not getting the services. So we need to educate all the members of the public to shun issues of bribery, and also urge the public officers who have a chance to serve without asking for bribes, so that we can have a situation where our people are getting the services that they deserve.
As a commission, our mandate is to combat corruption through law enforcement, corruption prevention, education and public awareness, to promote ethical practices.
Nake mutongoria omwe wa imenti ya